Well, Cern achieved one of the goals. A large hardened core reaches its first stable beams. This marks the beginning of physics for the third year of Run 3 of Cern's flagship particle accelerator. As you see in the graph, in the diagram, the beams stabilized. But what does this truly mean? Take a watch.
Complicated process of aligning these two counteracting beams or reducing the separation of those two beams such as they will be encountering each other at the center of each experiment. It's a process like shooting two arrows from the left side and the right side in the two beams and being able to encounter really at the precision of few micrometers level. And at this moment, the collisions will start to appear in each experiment.
For this, we have special magnets that will deviate the trajectory close to the interaction point, the experiment, so that they will be put in the middle of the experiment and collide.
This dynamic phase now will last about 2 minutes, and after it we'll be starting a countdown with each one of the experiments to ensure that they are ready for data taking. And it's only at that moment after their handshake that we'll be declaring stable beams.
Once we have declared stable beam, it means that the experiment will switch on their detectors and finally take physics data for the first time at 6.8 TeV.
It's an exciting milestone for Cern to be able now to accelerate beams to this new record energy and start data taking with this high luminosity in the LHC for this next few years, in which we perhaps will be discovering new particles or be giving more hints on new fundamental physics. So we are very excited. It's going to be a journey in the unknown.
Enjoying the unknown. Well, LHCs come from the protons. The LHC is so large that the operations have to correct for surprising source of error, the moon's gravitational pull. Now they go on to say, although the solar eclipse on April 8th will not affect the beams in the LHC, because the gravitational pull of the moon, like the tides, changes the shapes of the LHC because the machine is so big. It says pretty much it can adapt to the deformed tunnel, which means place in the lunar pull, the machine can adjust to that. Country Crazy out.